Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the Cycle Identifier Indicator for MT4 and MT5. Okay, although I'm going to be explaining here on the MT4 platform. All right. Now, if you check the description below, you're going to find the links to download both the MT4 version and the MT5 version. Okay, after downloading the indicator, of course, you need to extract the indicator file, and then you head over to your indicators folder, whether for MT4 or MT5, and you paste the file in there. Okay, after doing that, you need to get back to your navigator and refresh it. So after refreshing your navigator, you should find the cycle identifier indicator. Okay, you should find the cycle identifier indicator. All right, so here we go. If you don't find it, you should just try restarting your terminal. All right, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. Then these are the customizable settings: the price action filter, length, major cycle strength, use cycle filter, use filter SMA or RSI, filter strength SMA, filter strength RSI. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like, right? So this indicator is designed to detect major market swings. As you can see, it tries to help you detect when a move has possibly ended, right? Possibly ended. So it can detect possible reversals for you. When a bullish move has ended, you will notice this spike here and then the appearance of this red color, showing you that there could be a possible bearish move incoming. On the other hand, when the downward move has possibly ended, you will notice the spike to the downside and then the appearance of this green bar, showing you that it could be a possible bullish move incoming. You can see currently this red has appeared, showing that there could possibly be a bearish move incoming. Okay, so it's a very straightforward indicator that could be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. All right, so in the meantime, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to consider doing that now, so that you do not miss out on the loads and lots of valuable content being posted on this channel. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't also forget to turn on your notifications so that you get updated when a new video drops. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.